Hey, this is Sasha, the options coach, and I wanted to wish you a happy 2025. And to kick things off, we're doing something a little bit different as we lead into 2025. We're going to start a few live classes and webinars and workshops. So if you're interested in joining some of these workshops and live classes and actually getting your hands dirty and getting some hands-on experience, or at least kind of getting some insight into different topics and areas where we're going to dive a little bit deeper, kind of in the same way that I've been doing with coaching, but now we're going to be able to tackle an individual subject in much more depth rather than like a 10-minute YouTube video. We'll be able to just dive into a 2-hour class on a specific topic, which I haven't really done as often. You can check out some of the live classes that we'll be doing, and you can join us if you like. So to start things off, we're going to do a great promotion for some of these classes. It's going to be a class pack of 6 with some of them multi-day and multi-series classes. One of them is going to be building a trading logbook with Airtable, just to show you how you can build a trading logbook. It doesn't have to be with Airtable. We'll be using Airtable, but you can also just see the concepts of building a trading logbook. We'll look at a zero cost put strategy, how to buy puts and kind of reduce the cost of them, financing them in a way. And we'll look at that. That's really nice for covered calls, kind of building a collar-based strategy. We'll look at a vertical bridge strategy. I mean, I call it a vertical bridge. It's vertical covered calls, buying longer durations and selling against those longer durations. So that's going to be a 5-class series, multiple days. Buying single options with no theta time decay. A lot of people buy single options. They buy a single call or a single put. How do we do it with very little to no time decay? Because time decay is usually an issue and problem. So we'll kind of discuss this concept. And then we'll look at how to properly accumulate shares of stock at a professional level. Nice basic thing, but learning how to spread money and capital. And then we'll look at how to use things for dividends or boosting your income with, let's say, covered calls, using dividends there. That's a 3-class set. And it's really nice for people that are interested in also dividend stock. So even if you just get one class or here or workshop, it's going to pay for itself. So there's it's a pretty good deal. You can check out all the deal details down below. There's going to be a link. Click it. You'll see this page and a video as well. And you can register for all of them. The classes will be recorded. Then you can rewatch the classes. So even if you can't attend live, it'd be great if you attended live. But even if you can't attend live, they will be recorded. You can rewatch it, and it's for life, right? It's not a subscription or anything. You will have, the ability to watch this class over and over again as long as you like. So anyways, check it out. We're going to be doing more classes as well. So you can look at some of our events coming up. And if you have suggestions for other classes and topics you'd like me to go in depth about, just let me know. Send me a note, write a comment in there. And we're going to have many more classes coming in 2025, much more depth than we can do on YouTube, because we can be more interactive and we can really tackle in a specific subject in much more depth. Anyways, hope you join me. Hope you get to see you there in the classes. There's going to be a lot of knowledge and information. So register. Link's going to be down below in the description, and I will see you there. All right. Take care.